Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is about BRPR Expert Advisor. BRPR is the product code of this expert advisor, which is specialized in Euro USD. I would say we can trade even gold with this expert advisor, but we prefer to trade with Euro USD, which is its specialty. Okay, it has a two-way averaging feature, where in the case of when the market direction changes, it can adapt the other side trading also, depends on situation to situation. It has a time filter where you can adjust like whether the EA has to be traded within this time frame and ignore other time and all. Okay, there are a couple of features that we will discuss later, but let's go to the performance history. So we started this on 21st of August, and we can see that today, so it's roughly 27 weeks. Okay, so and as I said, this is for specifically for Euro USD, and the minimum requirement is 1,000 for Euro USD, and ideally, like if you would like to draw down more or lesser, then probably 1,200 to 1,500. Okay, 1,500 would be ideal, but anything between 1,000 to 1,500 would be good. The minimum requirement would be 1,000, but we started with 500 because we used to check the feasibility of the expert advisor, that how it cope in different kind of situations and how much the floating balance could be. Okay, so this is the trading history of 27 weeks. Please ignore the first 3 trades because that were taken uh, ignorantly. I was not sure that we will be trading with this expert advisor on this account. So please ignore the first 3 trades, and rest all the are the trades of this expert advisor itself. So based on the setting, what we use, normally we do not go for higher lot size, and maybe we can go for multiple smaller lot size, but we prefer not to go for the higher lot size. This is the setting we use, and this is what here. Arman. Okay, so we are almost there. Like it's, I think like this data are mismatched actually. Um, they should be like this, but anyways, they should be like this. Like I think like those dates were mismatched. Anyways, I don't want to start it from scratch again. Okay, so right. So I think like earlier maybe I sorted it based on something. I don't remember it exactly, but if you can see, like most of the lot sizes that is started with the point 0.01, we could have we will be using like multiple smaller lot size instead of taking a higher lot size. So if you see, we have not exceeded the lot size if in terms of the volume by more than 0.04 with this setting. So sometimes it is useful, like if you are using a smaller lot size, but sometimes it might bring some kind of negative floating as well, because if you're using a higher lot size, then you can close your trades more easily and more faster sometimes. Okay. Um, I think still there is some mismatch. I'm not sure what is. I think like it's about the time actually. Anyways, please excuse me. Um, I'm not sure like why like it has been sorted on different other parameters. But you can see like I used to create like whatever the last video that I created, you can just check that. And since we have already completed like more than 6 months, so I was just thinking to close this account can start from the from any other account though. So and you can see the running trades currently, like you can see as I said, like two side averaging. So you can see there are a couple of buy trades and there are a couple of sell trades both. So it will not happen always. It depends on condition to condition. Okay. So this is what there. Okay. We made a profit of how much? We made a profit of 1405 in a span of 27 weeks. That is, I mean, 6 months and a little more. Okay. And this is, let me go to the statistics of this in terms of my FX book you would like to see. So here are the my FX book statistics. As you can see, the growth graph, right? This is the growth graph. This is a balance graph, and this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph so far, right? Okay, and okay. So based on this, we are making like around 0.69% on a daily basis. The monthly is around 23.12%, and the maximum drawdown that went is 42.14, which is not bad. I mean, not good, but however, in my case, it's not bad too, because we started with a lower balance. Okay. So, anyways, whatever the situation is, statistics in front of you, you can just check it out. Okay, today, this week we made 2.07, 2.05%. This month we made 0.00, because today is 1st of March, and I think there was not much movement earlier. So whatever we will make, like it will take some time after an hour or so. So this year we made almost around 30%. Okay, this is the statistics in front of you, and I've already included this my FX book link in the video description, so you can just check it out as and when you get time. Okay, in 2023, in August, we made 17.52%. Since we made since we I think we started from 21st of August, so it was almost just 10 days. Okay, in September we made 34%, 34.1%. In October we made almost 32%. In November we made 21%. In December we made 17%. 17.02, and in January we made 14.39%, and in February we made 12.92% so far. This okay, I have not increased the lot size. The lot size remained the same, like 0.01, and probably like it is around 7 months almost. So probably I will migrate it to any other account. This is just want to show you, because a couple of people asked me like, before you close this account, at least create a video. So I'm just creating a video on this. So maybe I will migrate my account to any other account, and then we will start it with the higher equity. Okay, maybe 1000 or maybe 1500, whatever. Okay, so in this case the drawdown is 42 point something, and if we start with a higher lot size, I mean the higher equity, then probably the drawdown would be a little lower. However, the market can go in any direction anytime. So maybe like it is not something that drawdown is very much controllable. But yes, higher the equity is, the chances of drawdown would be a little lesser. So that's what the crux is. If you have any question about this expert advisor or any expert advisor videos that I have created in this channel, in my YouTube channel, please feel free to contact me. I have already included my Telegram as well as my email address in the video description. You can just contact me by either of ways, whatever you feel comfortable with. However, I would be more comfortable to respond fastly on uh, chat, right? On Telegram in this case. So, or you can also join our Telegram channel. I have included two Telegram channel links in the video description. One is specifically for the equity, for the expert advisor videos that I have uploaded in my YouTube channel, and second is a mix of different things. One is like could be like expert advisor videos on YouTube channel, plus from uh, from free expert advisors that we used to upload uh, for our community every month, and could be about some forex education or could be with something else, right? So you will not get bothered because I don't use to post very often, so you will not get much notification. So I request you to join my Telegram channel as well as please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and I have included my contact details and also the MyFX book link in the video description. Feel free to explore. If you have any question, feel free to contact. Thank you very much.